I want to let you know that Honorable Balaam here, before he became minister, me, I knew him as my son. I told you, me, I'm a Ugandan. I've produced many children, including Honorable Balaam. Now he's my minister in the Ministry of Gender. How do they call it? Ministry of Gender, Culture, Elderly, everything about communities, but he's Minister for Youth. And I'm happy to introduce him because he's a youth himself, but on top of that, he hails from Bunyoro. And he has, since he came in, he has done a lot of things for the youth. And I'm honored, and by protocol, since I'm the PS in the House, I'm humbled. Honorable Minister, can you talk to your people? Thank you.
The PS of land, my mother, mpako bakamuatenyi, some other time akweta akiki, obunda adieri, mpako zona akazewa, ate mpako yawe kile nyeyinka. So, abarugira embassy yetu ya Uganda mu UK, Lord Mayor w'orubuga rwaitu rwa mafuta rwa Hoima, Omunyoro Brian Kaboyo, Anko w'amaanyi n'omukyala, abanywani baitu abajungu abatubungisiize kandi abandi bakafuuka ati bako baitu n'enyenywe n'abantu ba Bunyoro mwe bali kwija. You will allow me use English because I want it to benefit the would-be investors, people who want to come to our country and invest. Allow me convey the greetings of HE, the President of Uganda, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. When I told him I will be going for the Bunyoro-Kitara convention the other day. He told me, no, don't go the other day, you'll go tomorrow because I am delegating you for another assignment in Kasangati. So those who watched, who followed me yesterday, I was in Kasangati, but I'd acquired a ticket for Thursday. I knew I would be here yesterday, but I couldn't because of that assignment, and it takes precedence. It's number one. So he has sent you greetings, but I told him on short notice that I will be going. Probably would have sent you some money, but he hasn't given me any money. Then also, my big sister, Right Honorable Robin Anabanja, she called me, she wanted to send me to Chikube. Today there is a function for Honorable Natumanya Women's Day. I told her, Right Honorable, I'm sorry, but I'm going to London to join the Banyakitara in London. So she felt bad, but then she had to say, okay, you can go. Because by business, she's the head of government business. Then my other elder brother, Right Honorable Thomas Tayewa, the Speaker of Parliament. As you all know, this is an election period. They will be going for NRM primary, unlike me, I'm not standing. For those who are standing, who feel politics is a job, they'll be going for NRM primary on the 15th. So the Right Honorable Speaker couldn't come to attend this function, but he has promised he will come. And it is his office that facilitated my travel here. So I want you to clap for him in absentia. As the government of Uganda and as Bunyoro, I want us, all of us, the Bunyoro who are here, to know that much has been achieved in your absentia. Just like Dr. Waman said, currently Bunyoro has 700 tarmacked roads in Uganda. All districts, all the 10 districts plus city are connected by tarmac. And very soon we are having an airport. The runway has been done to world class. Don't ask me about the terminal, because you all saw the terminal, but it will be improved, I'm sure, with time. But our airport is at 60–70%. Then we are also having a new stadium in Hoima, which is at 80%. The mayor of Hoima, I'm sure he has told you what is happening in his city. And also now, we are getting our first oil drop. The oil made in Uganda, the Bunyoro oil, is coming in the coming year, probably in March or April, immediately after presidential election. We should be going to fuel station and fueling cars using our oil. So the first drop will drop next year. before mid next year. That is according to the president. Bunyoro is not the other Bunyoro when some of you left 30 years ago, how you left it. Bunyoro is transforming. A plot of land in Masindi used to cost 2 million, but I can confirm to you that now I'm buying every 50 decimal in the Masindi municipality at each decimal, close to 10 million shilling. So a plot of land has gone up. For those of you who have land in Masindi, please go and invest home. For those of you who have land in Hoima, go and invest home. Recently, cabinet sat chaired by the president, and they gazetted land for the industrial park in Bunyoro. The Kabalega Industrial Park is due for commissioning on ground very soon. The president has gazetted that area for industrial park, and the people operating in that park will be paying less on electricity. They are going to add value to our oil byproducts. Muzei wants people to make tires. The president wants people to make rubber. The president wants to make all the kind of thing that we get out of oil. So come home and invest home. The opportunities are available. This park will be run by the Minister of Energy and Mineral Development. So go and ask the detail how to get a plot of land. Don't just acquire land and become a absentee landlord. Acquire land with eager to develop. I don't want you to be like our friends in Ichibale who don't have land titles. The land titles belong to people who are unknown, but they cannot use the land because it belongs to people. So on that note, dear Bunyoro and Banyakitara who are here, I want to thank you once again for coming together and making sure that as government and Ugandans and Banyakitara and our friends, like I saw the midwife and the nurse, Mama, you come here. Do you have a second microphone? I need a second microphone for her. You come here. Both of you, ma'am. And my, I think he's my in-law. You should also come here. Yes, both of you. So this is now the friendship of Bunyoro. During our time, our great king, Omukama Kabalega loved people, but he resisted the imperialism. For him, he thought by seeing a white, that a white wants to take his drum, or the white wants to take his throne. So he fought the white. So Mama, in Uganda, a mature lady who's above 40 is called Mama.
That's not me.
It's not in Uganda.
I'm only 25.
25. Sweet sister. So sweet sister, that king you see there, yes. For him, he resisted imperialism. He wanted to work with the whites to change the mindset of his people. We were the first in Africa to conduct, we used to give birth in our region in Bunyoro without going to the hospital. So we would do a surgery using our local means, and that was our great king Kabalega. He didn't go to school. Even his name, the Christian name Joanna, was given to him after a long time. But he loved modernization, but he resisted people who wanted to take over the kingdom and become the kings. So he died fighting. He died on his way back to the kingdom. He was exiled to Seychelles. So on his way back, he passed on. So when I see you here, I'm really pleased and happy that Kabalega, our grandfather, loved friends to develop our area. Now, the organizer of this event, who is Mulisa, has also invited the friends who are white in color to come and hear what opportunities lie in Bunyoro. So on behalf of government of Uganda, I want to welcome you to Uganda.
Thank you.
So I will ask each of you to introduce yourself and your nation, or if you are in UK, which nation you come from within UK.
Hello. Is it still morning? Is it the afternoon?
So good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Thank you very much for inviting us. So my name is Lorraine Major. I'm a paediatric advanced nurse practitioner. I have been going to Hoima for 20 years, and you'll hear about that later.
Don't you think you should clap for her?
So I'm actually Scottish, so I will say in my own language, Falte Camera How.
Now for her being a Scottish, in Scotland they have a Scottish whiskey. Then for us also in Uganda, we have Uganda Orange. Do you take Uganda Orange? Do you take Scottish whiskey?
Scottish whiskey?
You take it? I think this is triple distilled for finest quality. I will give it to you and your family.
Thank you.
Yes?
Hello, my name is I'm Joy Murphy. I'm a trustee of our charity and I've been going to Uganda since 2012. You'll hear a little bit more about what I've been doing later. I'm Irish, I come from Ireland, I've been living in the UK for a while. But I'm very happy to be here, to be invited here today. Thank you.
You're from Ireland?
Yes.
What is the most popular thing in Ireland?
Sorry?
What is that very popular special thing about Ireland?
Guinness.
Guinness the power. So do you mind, how many of you are from Ireland?
Just me.
We can see it this way.
Where do you come from? England. I think this will go to England. Then Scotland and Ireland can share the other one. So that is Uganda Orange. It's the finest triple distilled gin for our country. It is not like the Scottish whiskey which can make you fall down. This one can only make you relate. Not unconscious. It makes you relate. Yeah? It bonds us together. It is bonding us as whites, Ugandans, blacks, and everybody together. That's the purpose of that drink. So let's share it. So this other side, are you done with introduction?
My name is Laura Aspinall and I'm also a trustee of the charity, and I've been going out to Uganda for 18 years now as a midwife, and in your language I am a Nalongo.
Nalongo. Now also, now that we have an elder here, I'm going to ask Uncle Wamani to come and give each of you a petty name, because I've had the names without a petty name. You have them? What's your petty name? Aboli. And then you are my mother. Clap for Aboli. Akiki. Ah. And you? Malaki?
She's an angel.
Malaika. No, that's not a petty name.
I don't know that.
You need a petty name. Let him give you a petty name. He's an elder. Muempako miskogo. Bakoida Aboli. So that you are Aboli. Just like her.
Thank you.
Okay.
I'm Caroline Graham. I'm a trustee of Shine's Children UK. My backwards Aboli. 8 years ago, I met this gentleman who is taking the photograph now in Masindi, and he was doing amazing work, so we went back to the UK to found a charity to support his work. We have been fundraising for Shine's Children's Foundation since that time.
Oh, thank you very much.
Hello everybody, my name is Randall Akiki.
Clap him. You know, Akiki is for rulers. You're a ruler.
I first went to Uganda in 1995 to do voluntary service when Dennis was 4. Caroline and I run the Shines UK, which supports the work of Shines in Uganda.
Thank you very much. So I would like to thank all of you. You can take up your seats.
Thank you.
I want to assure you that when you come to Uganda next time, please don't forget we should go and visit the king. Our king is alive, and our king loves people. So next time you come to Uganda, you should come and visit the king. Now, the main reason why I'm here, Bunyoro and our friends, in Bunyoro we have business opportunities. And once we open the opportunities and we invest home, the young people I lead as their minister will get jobs. So midwife and nurse, if you could start a good pediatric or any other clinic or a good hospital, it is profitable, both as missionaries or as an NGO, but also as a business. We are spending quite a lot of money treating people here in London, India, and China, and all these other countries. And yet, you are good people here who can start that business. If you can come to Uganda and invest, the president will give you free land. Come and start a hospital. And the PS of land is here. She will make sure that that communication I've made is captured and they provide you with land for a hospital. So government of Uganda is also promising to return all kingdom properties. During a meeting the president held recently with the Bunyoro-Kitara kingdom and the royal family, he pledged that all kingdom assets will be returned. It is on this very note I want to warn the people who are selling our land fraudulently, both in the royal family and in Obukama, to stop. PS, your officers in your ministry are facilitating people to make titles on Budongo Forest. So far they have made 7 square miles of Budongo Forest. And that is a gazetted area. PS, you need to protect our kingdom land. The land was left by Kabalega, I never sold it. Those trees are used, are medicinal, some of them. Why are we allowing these people why are you facilitating? Why should your office? Because whatever happens in land, you are in charge. Please make a communication that no transaction on kingdom property or kingdom land. People are using fake wills. Someone who used a fake will to come to you and your commissioner made a land title. They went and surveyed using a helicopter. They made a land title and they are selling it. This one I can confirm to you. So that is a challenge we have. So I will ask the president, that was of yesterday. We've noted someone who is selling 7 square miles of our land. That land doesn't belong to any of them. It belongs to Omukama. And Omukama is a custodian of land on behalf of all Banyoro and Bunyoro. So buyers, be aware that muja kusesema ebitali byanyu. Then also, I want us, Banyoro who are here, to thank the President, Yoweri Museveni, for making Banyoro big in his government. For the very first time, we have a Prime Minister from Kakumiro district, which is the other far of Bunyoro, towards Bugangaizi. Robin Anabanja, Akiki Majegere, Right Honorable, she's a Prime Minister. The Minister of Finance is also that side of Bugangaizi, Mzee Matiaka Saija Akiki. Then we have the Minister of Works, also from that side, in Kakumiro, Honorable Byamukama Fred. Then we have the Minister of Public Service from Chikube, Honorable Mary Mugasa. Then I'm a minister from the Greater Masindi of Youth and Children Affairs. But also we have the IGP, Abbas Byakagaba Atochi from Hoima, and the Deputy IGP in charge of investigation, Afande Magamba Atochi Rabudongo. So we are doing very, very well, and let us support our country. Those of you who are decampaigning our country, you are doing a disservice to your grandchildren and your children. You rather come home and we make things right, what is not going right. I will not say we are perfect as any RM government in power, but we can do better if we sit together and do dialogue. But also we should observe the people we are paying to do our work. So most of you who are here, please, Ugandans, Banyoro and friends of Bunyoro, use legit lawyers. You are lucky that you have good lawyers like Muhammad Mbabazi, who's from Hoima somewhere there. You have other good lawyers. There is Robert Irumba. There is someone from Chinogozi, Bamwetoa. Birungi Wycliffe. Actually, Birungi Wycliffe recently saved my brother Binji. Binji mumanyire. Binji emera. So, bakabani bamwiba. Nairobi Breweries wanted to take land from him, to take his business. So when he called me, I told him, don't play with whites, go to court. You know your rights. So he went to court, they gave up on his business. Am I lying? So you people use lawyers and pay the lawyers. If you want free lawyers, they will cheat you. So the next session, I will ask Council Binji to invite the Banyoro who are prominent lawyers to come also for the next convention, so that you don't buy mutagure eitaka liembeho mutagaruka mukano musindika sente ni babayiba mutunge baroya barungi kandi Bunyoro twina baroya baki abaroya barungi munonka Muhammad Ogo musajja murungi na Wycliffe na Irumba arona musajja ogo wa Kinogozi bamwetoa wamasindoko muzeyo mugurusoko arona Hamza Chamanywa arona n'abandi twina baroya barungi bayingi. So nibye ebigambo byange nkubasaba mugaruka omuka mujye tugaruke omuka mujye tukole nyewe nkagaruka yiro muka nkamaro wire Kampala nitu investinga Kampala, but time came nagamba ni nagaruka omuka. So tukombeka 5-star hotel ejja kuba nekireno. So mutusabire tujimale. Kandi nkwenda muterera omunyoro ow'amaani. Anko w'amaani akatuitaka lyabusa kombeka university ya Bunyoro. Baitu kanda abanyoro abandi bakaba nibamurwanisa batakwenda itaka lyo w'amaani bagonza itaka lituragura milioni 2 eri ahandi ejo niyo Bunyoro. So Bunyoro tugonzangane kandi Bunyoro tugonzangane kandi tugondeze. So anko w'amaani mumuterere mu ngaro katawulire ngaro za anko w'amaani kandi nawe yatungire university nawe yangama mpaireyo ekamanyo bakampa 2 baitu condition eremu njakora na mwara Priscilla doctor tunakora hamu tukole business ya hamu ntatunde itakali kale mwebale muno rwanga abalindi mbaleteire obukipa bwa Uganda waraji murabunywera then arona dola zange 15 zange tiziri za government contribution yange towards organizing committee. Bati manyiro batu zindirege kizina kya Bunyoro temere tuzine kizina kya Bunyoro. Tugarukemu kandi kikitama tukigarukemu. Ati kwa ya mistress ajja kuba mukawa amani mama. Dr. Kwata microphone. Ijana. Aije jozinira abantu. Ambassador, come here my sister. Sister Mami, hold on, DJ, hold on. Your Excellency, come. Baga kuempako. Ni wa moti.
How are you? Thank you. I better say hello to her.
Amoti. Webale kuija. Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you for loving Bunyoro.
Love you guys. How are you?
Fine, how are you?
Now, inyo abanda abakwikara hano mu UK mutamanyira ambassador wanyu nuwonu wa UK. Museveni akabasindikira moto Munyoro. Ono madivani boti bakura. Baitu madivani tumuina business masindi na Bunyoro abwai. Why don't you have business in our place? Where?
That was a secret.
Tell me.
Soon to let you know.
In the oil sector. They have the lodges.
And
okay.
And the construction of some of the buildings.
Excel.
Yes.
Okay. So, Your Excellency, you found when I was concluding with my speech, and I communicated to these people that the government of Uganda is willing and very much ready to welcome all of them back home. Then I've informed them the progress made in Bunyoro in infrastructure. We have 700 kilometers of roads for Bunyoro alone. We have a sports stadium at 80% completion. We have the biggest airport, which will be bigger with a better runway than Entebbe, in Kabalega International Airport, which is at almost 80%. Then I've told them Bunyoro are getting big jobs in the government, the Prime Minister, the Minister of Finance, the IGP, they are all Bunyoro, including me as the Minister of Youth, the Minister of Majority. Then also in summer, I told the people here that the President wants them to come back home, and the President is calling upon those who can come and invest home. He will provide you with the free land, and where necessary, a tax holiday for you to kickstart. So I invited my friends, the whites, the nurse and the midwife, and all these other white friends of ours to come back and invest home. And then also I've informed them that Hoima Referral Hospital, we have now an intensive care section. We have a blood bank. A lot of progress is taking home. But I've warned them not to deal with fake lawyers, to send money through good lawyers to acquire land. And I've also informed them that we have an industrial park land where the President is calling upon Bunyoro who can come and invest home to come and build, take part in industrialization, in the service sector, and all these sectors. The cabinet approved that land recently, but then also I've also cautioned them that the government is returning their property, but again the thugs within the kingdom and the royal family, they are selling that land. So I've requested the PS of lands who is here, Madam Okalan, to ensure that habit is put to a stop. So, Your Excellency, since you are the representative of the President in this country, I will ask you to greet them. I've authorized you to greet them. Then after that, we can do the Bunyoro anthem and the Uganda anthem.
Honorable Minister, thank you so much. And friends, I'm really honored that you invited me, and thank you so much. And we really appreciate everything that you're doing to make us shine. You're all our ambassadors out in the field, here in United Kingdom. And those of you who haven't been to Uganda, let me tell you, you're missing out. Uganda is heaven on earth. And you can never go wrong. So I will say what I have to say a little bit later. But for the moment, thank you. Thank you, organizers. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for putting together our pride, our country, our crafts, all our products. And we're in the process with the Minister, His Excellency the President, and the government of Uganda. Uganda is beginning to shine again on the top of the world. We are now wonderful. Thank you.
A big clap for the ambassador. Your Excellency, amongst us we have a good Samaritan, a very nice gentleman called Owamani. He's here with his wife. He gave us 100 acres of land for Bunyoro University, free of charge.
Very good. Thank you.
And that's Madam.
Very generous.
And then with us also we have the mayor of Hoima City.
Yes, he's actually he's a regular visitor to the High Commission. He sneaks in and he sneaks out. Now I found him here.
Okay, with those few words, let us do the Uganda anthem and the Bunyoro anthem.
Mumahanga
okusiima ba organizer b'omukolo guno mwebale muno.